The year was 1968. The artist is wait. Before I even get into that, I'm moving ahead of myself. This series of vinyl is the Eptones. Yeah, original vinyl. Yeah, you're looking at something that came out of Moody's record shop, but it also has a sticker on here that says Superpower. And I'm sure many of you are familiar with Superpower out in Brooklyn, New York, right? But yeah, Superpower, but I guess somehow it reached over Moody's because that's where I bought it in the Bronx. But yeah, the Eptones on the Studio One label, yeah, with their debut album with songs such as Equal Rights, Pure Sorrow, and Eptones Gonna Fight It to the Top. My favorite tune on this album is Party Time. We got to live some life before we're old. We got to live some life before we're cold. Big up Leroy Sibbles. But yes, the Eptones Studio One label with their album. You can barely see it because it's an old print, but the name of the album right here is right here in yellow. I don't know why they choose that color, but the name of the album is entitled On Top. Right? Yeah. Which I think is a little play with words for the song Eptones On Top. You know, gonna fight it to the top. But anyway, the year is 1968. And the artist that we're gonna bring on the Solid Rock Foundation right now, it's a Studio One original, Cox and Dad. And it's none other than, oh yes, Marcia Griffiths, with her specific hips. Jamaican songbird, the queen of reggae music, y'all. Oh gosh. Section. Yeah, I wonder if it's Jackie too on the keys. More than likely, you know. Melodies. Do you hear those? If I could have only been a fly on the wall when some of these gems were being recorded. Man, Can you imagine all of the golden times Coxsone had witnessed when these songs, when these classics were being made? You know, and don't sometimes some of these songs take a while to make. You know, don't think some of them making not just according to some of the artists, they had to get some of these songs in one take, because if they mess up, the band would have to start all over again. And I mean, I know they didn't want to do that. So, but yeah, man, that was 1968 with Marcia Griffiths, the queen of reggae music. Her voice is like none other, man. You know, one of the greatest, if not the greatest, female vocalists coming out of an island such as Jamaica. Marcia Griffiths, big up yourself. By the way, she's still making music. You know, if a lot of you ain't hip to it, she's still in the business, she's still making music, and she has a latest release with none other than, you ready? Turbulence. Yeah, she has a tune with Turbulence on the Dansome record label, right? And I'm telling you, I never expected such a collaboration. You know, it's refreshing, it's a nice tune, and check it out. It came out this year. I'm trying to look for the name of the song. Just give me a minute, because I'd love for you guys to check it out. You know, big up to Dansome Records. You know, big, massive shout out to Dansome. Yeah, just give me a minute, ladies and gentlemen, and I'll tell you the name of the tune, because I want you to support this tune. Go on YouTube, go wherever you stream music. Yes, the name of the tune is entitled Time Away. Time Away. Saying, yeah, I don't know if you can. Marcia Griffiths and Turbulence. Time Away on the Dansome record label, okay? And Dansome is doing great things, man, in reggae music. He's putting out a lot of positive cultural music, and you know that's right up my alley, and we should be reviewing some of that in time to come. The next, I think he has an album entitled also, a various artist album called Rasta Yard, and it have Junior Kelly, Anthony B, Lutan Fire. Yeah, man, okay? If I didn't say it already, Junior Kelly, you know, check it out. We're going to keep the ball rolling. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for the vibe. You already know we're going to keep it positive on the Solid Corner. Keep it locked to Solid Rock, y'all.